Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In this video I take a look at what happens when you leave your tools in vinegar for too long. I left these tools in the solution for a week, and as you can see there's a rusty foam that's collected above the vinegar. I start just by pulling out each piece and wiping them off. And this was taking too long, so I figured it's just easier to rinse them off. They'll all be scrubbed with a brush and dried just like the others. Alright, that's it. We've come to the end of the video now. Leaving the tools in the vinegar didn't really do anything except clean the rust and the paint off, and I'll be using these tools for various scrap metal art projects like the ones you see here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, I ask you go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.